Wednesday afternoon. It's actually stopped raining. It's been raining all week, but I've had to do extra time at work, so I didn't exactly miss out on any useful stuff at the boat. There's some painting going on over at the big warmer cat. That cat's moved over here. Something's either coming or going, or rather coming or gone. Hasn't gone yet. Well, it certainly looks better than it did this time last week. I'll take the tape off here, just like I bought one. We'll reinstate the rail for the tramp. Oh, and the hose for the saltwater washdown. Right, fair leads repositioned. We'll put plenty of soft, beautiful sealant under them. Lace back up, hose repositioned. There's quite a bit of residue left from the masking tape, so we'll use acetone to clean that off. That's looking better. Better do the other stern though. See if I can clean up this fender a bit. I actually use this because the tin probably hasn't got many weeks left in it, rusting. I think the fender's looking a little bit better. Oh, I found some more adhesive from tape. Well, that seemed to have worked. Well, the dinghy could do with a clean, so let's try and drop it down. The stern won't reach the ground from up here, but we'll hopefully manage. I haven't actually pumped it up for over a year, but it definitely needs a good clean and a bit of attention to the stern bung drain system, which keeps getting clogged up with the leaves. So where it's kept at home, the Boatyard carbers drop leaves and bung up. It grates there. We'll take the floor out. So it's high pressure inflatable drop stitch floor. It would make a stand-up paddleboard for someone who weighs a lot less than me. We'll get rid of the leaves. Now I remember seeing some inflatable boat cleaner in this locker at the stern. We've got cleaner, restorer, deoxidizer and UV protector. Well, I'm not sure the boat will look as good as the pictures on it. We'll start with a token effort. Well, I'm convincing myself it's looking a little bit better. I'll also use the broom to do in here. 5, I think that will do it. Things are looking a fair bit cleaner. First time it's actually been ever cleaned. I think I've had it 4 or 5 years now. So this launch is hopefully going in tomorrow, and then he'll hang around the rest of the day and then head back to Gulf Harbour. It's Friday afternoon and it's supposed to be raining, but it's obviously not. Very nice day at the moment. We have a gap in the boats. Be able to put some stuff in, although we haven't got the tyres off yet. They're pulling a boat out of one of the sheds. I'm sure the owner's happy for the job to be done. Oh, here's the one that came out, and I presume this one's going in. I'll put the floor back in the dinghy and then pump it up. Just need to pump it up now. The pump's full of rainwater, so we better drain all that out. The floor's in. Let's try the inflatable cleaner. Makes a little bit of difference. Done this bit, haven't done that bit. Not sure I can be bothered doing the whole boat, but pleasant enough doing it at the moment. Well, it is looking a bit better. So the port forward of the seat to the front corner hasn't been done, the rest has, and is looking a bit lighter and slightly less grubby. I'm using meth alcohol. Get rid of the anti-fouling marks here. Better, certainly not perfect. It's pretty damn grey to the north. It is supposed to be heavy showers and rain. We'll give this a go. See this, pour onto damp cloth, wipe on, let it dry, do it again. Well, I've done that. Just starting to spit, but I think it will dry before the rain comes down significantly. A smallish load to go home. Well, it's just started to rain. I think it's just a shower. Hopefully we get home before it gets too wet. Poured down on the way home. Can't turn around outside the garage at the moment because there's a whole pile of pot plants there. So down to the water to turn around. rain. Well, it didn't matter too much. I suppose the drop cloths have got wet. One cardboard box, otherwise it's impervious. Well, rain stopped, sun's come out. It's looking quite nice now. The forecast is for strong sou'westers, with showers easing off later on this afternoon. So hopefully we'll get a gap and put the second coat of UV protectant on the dinghy. Coffee being delivered to me and raining as expected. One of the things I want to do today is a bit of a tidy up, so I think all the 240 volt power tools can go back home, and I'm sure we can make some impact in here, and we can make even more impact out here. Oh, now cleaning here. I think we can say we're definitely made an impact. There's some power tools to go home.
Well, I'll just stay here then.
I think so. So we're going to load for the skip and the grey water to go in the grey water receptacle. This is under the bench on the port side. We'll just see what we can remove from here. We'll give this a hose. We'll never clean properly, but we'll give it a hose. Our ship's dog's made herself known. Give it a token scrub and across the back. It does look a little bit better. Mate Matthew's up, so I've put him to work. Raining again.
I think I was following it up.
Well, I think that's looking better. Well, we have the dinghy back up, tilted down so the water can drain. Oh, Matthew and I are just going for a walk. Very sweet hull. Now there's a lightning dissipator, probably VHF. I wonder if all these always point in the same direction. Matthew says they're not quite like carbon spreaders that he specialises in. We're having a bit of a tidy up. You wouldn't think so, but we are making progress. You can actually see the floor of the fizz buck. Having said that, we're going to put all the huge pile of covers back in here for storage. So apart from some detritus, we've just got covers in there and fuel tanks. Well, we've managed to remove some stuff. Thing is cleared out. Started on this side. We also found the spare mast for Matthew's splash. This one broke at the base where it came out of the deck, but we sleeved it. I'm in the bosun's locker, which is the forward part of the starboard hull, and just trying to rationalise the amount of stuff that I've got on here that I've never used and hopefully never will. Take some of it away. I have some more stuff to take home that I don't need, hopefully.